Today we will be learning some basic words for greetings and feelings. So, say these greetings with your English voice. The first one, hello. The second one, hi. And the third one, welcome. Now, we can use these three greetings in different situations. For example, we can say hello to people we meet for the first time or to people we work with. We can say hi to our friends or family members. And we can say welcome to people when they visit us at our homes or wherever we are. Now let's have a look at some feelings. What words do you know to describe feelings? How are you today? We can say I'm happy, I'm fine, or I'm tired. And we can also talk about why we feel a certain way. For example, I had a long day. I'm tired. Now, let's have a look at some formal introductions used on business or official occasions. The first one, sir. The second one, miss. And the third one, madam. Now let's have a look at how we can use this in English. How are you today, sir? How are you today, madam? And the last one, how are you today, miss? Now remember, we can use feelings to respond to this question. For example, I'm fine.